Listen to me very closely, because you have two choices when it comes to hacking. You can either master it or get left behind. But here's the thing, most hacking tools is just noise. Every new tool claims to be the next big thing, but the truth is, most of them won't make you any better at what you do. A good hacking tool should either make you more effective at reaching your target objective or save you time. It should make your workflow seamless, not add complexity. So in today's guide, I'm going to give you the 7 hacking tools that will actually make a difference. The first tool that has the potential to make you a pro is Hackify. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to get started with ethical hacking. It has so many modules, but I will cover some of the cool ones. Hackify gives you step-by-step attack flow guides for your specific needs. It clearly shows you the attack process, what tools you would need, and what commands to use in order to meet your hacking objective. You also get hacking checklists for a bunch of systems such as web, Windows, Linux, and mobile, so you never miss an important step or have to guess where to begin. Perfect for beginners who are unsure what tools to use when and need a helping hand. You also have a command reference module that covers the most important tools and commands, along with a database of hacking techniques and script collection. One of the most useful functions for me was the HackerGPT module. Here you can either choose one of the standard hacking scenarios or enter a custom hacking objective. It will then literally design a custom attack plan for your objective, covering the various phases, tools, and steps you would need to do. Pretty cool. Over the years, our attention span has gotten shorter and shorter, and hackers have to act faster and faster. That eventually led to our current reality where speed is key. Now there's multiple ways to go about speeding up your hacking process, and that's where tools like Osmedius become extremely useful. Osmedius is an open source workflow engine designed for offensive security, serving as a versatile foundation for creating customized reconnaissance systems. It's a game changer for penetration testers and security researchers who need to automate their reconnaissance processes. With Osmedius, you can scale across extensive target lists, making it easier to handle large-scale scanning and data analysis. The tool is known for its efficiency in organizing scan results, allowing you to focus on the most critical vulnerabilities. It integrates seamlessly with a variety of tools, both public and private, ensuring you have access to the latest techniques and exploits. Plus, its synchronization features help consolidate results from multiple sources, giving you a comprehensive view of your target environment. The next hacking tool that helps you save time and actually simplifies your workflow is BloodHound. BloodHound is a graphical tool that uses graph theory to reveal the hidden and often unintended relationships within an Active Directory environment. It's a powerful tool for identifying potential attack paths and vulnerabilities in complex networks. BloodHound helps you visualize the relationships between users, groups, and computers, making it easier to identify weaknesses that can be exploited. By understanding these relationships, you can map out the most effective paths for a hacker to move laterally within a network, allowing you to preemptively secure these paths. BloodHound is particularly useful for red team operations and penetration testing, as it provides a clear picture of the network's attack surface and helps in creating targeted attack strategies. Next, I want to talk about Ghidra. Developed by the NSA, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering framework that provides a suite of tools for disassembling, decompiling, and analyzing compiled code. It's an essential tool for those who need to understand the inner workings of binary files and executables. Ghidra supports a wide range of processor instruction sets and executable formats, making it versatile for analyzing various types of software. One of its standout features is the ability to collaborate with other analysts in real time, which is crucial for complex reverse engineering tasks. Ghidra also offers a scriptable and extensible architecture, allowing users to create custom plugins and scripts to automate repetitive tasks. This makes it an invaluable tool for malware analysis, vulnerability research, and hackers. Now let's talk about Impacket. Impacket is a collection of Python classes for working with network protocols, widely used for developing custom network tools and exploits. It supports a variety of protocols, including SMB, LDAP, and Kerberos, making it a versatile tool for network penetration testing. Impacket provides a low-level interface to these protocols, allowing you to create custom tools that can manipulate network traffic and exploit vulnerabilities. For example, you can use Impacket to create a custom SMB relay tool that captures and relays authentication tokens, or an LDAP injection tool that exploits vulnerabilities in LDAP servers. Impacket's flexibility and power make it a favorite among penetration testers and security researchers who need to create tailored solutions for specific network environments. The next tool, Mimikatz, is a powerful tool for extracting plaintext passwords, hashes, PIN codes, and Kerberos tickets from memory. It's widely used for post-exploitation and credential dumping, supporting multiple operating systems including Windows, Linux, and macOS. Mimikatz can extract credentials from various sources, such as the Local Security Authority Subsystem Service, LSASS, remote systems, and even from hibernation files. This makes it an essential tool for post-exploitation activities, such as lateral movement and privilege escalation. Mimikatz is known for its effectiveness and ease of use, providing a straightforward interface for dumping credentials and performing password attacks. Then we have Empire. Empire is a post-exploitation and adversary simulation framework that provides a powerful set of tools for maintaining access and controlling compromised systems. It supports a wide range of modules and is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your post-exploitation activities to specific targets. Empire offers features such as agent deployment, command and control, and data exfiltration, making it a comprehensive tool for post-exploitation operations. One of its standout features is the ability to generate custom payloads and stagers, which can bypass common security controls and persist on target systems. Empire also provides a user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, making it accessible for both experienced and novice penetration testers. Moving on, we have Hydra. It is a parallelized login cracker that supports a wide range of protocols, making it a versatile tool for brute-forcing login credentials. Whether you're targeting FTP, HTTP, SSH, or even more specialized protocols like SAP, Hydra has you covered. What sets Hydra apart is its speed and flexibility. It can handle multiple targets simultaneously, significantly speeding up the process of finding valid login credentials. Next up is Responder, a powerful tool for capturing plaintext credentials from network traffic. It acts as an LLM-NR poisoner, making it an excellent choice for credential harvesting attacks. Responder intercepts and captures credentials from various network protocols, providing a straightforward interface for dumping credentials and performing password attacks. It's a go-to tool for penetration testers who need to perform effective credential harvesting. You should also know DNChef, a highly configurable DNS proxy designed for pen testers. It allows for advanced DNS manipulation and is a go-to tool for those who need to perform complex DNS-based attacks and assessments. DNChef supports a variety of features, including DNS spoofing, cache poisoning, and DNS amplification attacks, making it an invaluable tool for network penetration testing. Its flexibility and power make it a favorite among security professionals who need to conduct thorough DNS assessments. Now let's cover some OG hacking tools that you must be familiar with. Recon-ng. This is a full-featured web reconnaissance framework written in Python. It's designed to provide a powerful environment for conducting open-source web-based reconnaissance quickly and thoroughly. Recon-ng includes a variety of modules that can be used to gather information about the target, such as domain enumeration, subdomain discovery, and IP address resolution. It's a versatile tool that can be easily extended with custom modules, making it a favorite among penetration testers and security researchers. Nmap. Known as the network mapper, Nmap is a powerful network scanning tool used to discover hosts and services on a computer network. It is widely used for network discovery, security auditing, and management. Nmap can be used to scan large networks quickly and efficiently, providing detailed information about the devices and services running on them. Its flexibility and wide range of features make it an essential tool for network security professionals. Metasploit. Developed by Rapid7, Metasploit is a penetration testing framework that provides a wide range of tools for developing, testing, and executing exploits. It includes a database of known vulnerabilities and exploits, as well as a variety of payloads and encoders. Metasploit is known for its ease of use and powerful capabilities, making it a popular choice for both novice and experienced penetration testers. Burp Suite. Created by Portswigger, Burp Suite is an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications. It includes a variety of tools, such as a web vulnerability scanner, an intruder tool for automated customized attacks, a repeater for manual testing, and a sequencer for analyzing session tokens. Burp Suite is highly customizable, allowing users to tailor its behavior to their specific needs, and it provides a user-friendly interface that makes it accessible for both beginners and experts. Aircrack-ng. This is a complete suite of tools to assess Wi-Fi network security. It focuses on different areas of Wi-Fi security, including monitoring, packet capture and export to text and CSV files, attacking, replay attacks, deauthentication, etc., testing, checking Wi-Fi cards and driver capabilities, and cracking, WEP and WPA-PSK. Aircrack-ng is known for its speed and flexibility, making it a popular choice among penetration testers and security professionals who need to evaluate the security of Wi-Fi networks.